Nangaminladi, it's Ask Aunty. So Aunty here to answer all the questions that you have. So what's the first one, Carla?
Aunty Munya, what do you do if you want to acknowledge the traditional owners but they're disputed?
Yeah, it's a common issue and always has been and is ongoing, no doubt. I always mention all of the groups that are claiming land and country so that no one gets left out. But of course, if I want to clarify the situation, I ask the land councils or elders from that area.
Yes, and it's great to be able to ask someone, Aunty Munya, and if that's not possible, sometimes the local council can have information as well, can't they?
Yes.
And I guess as a non-Indigenous person, if I can't find that out, then I go with a general acknowledgement. And Aunty Munya, what if they're not surviving anymore, the traditional owners?
Yeah, Carla, I say it's still important to mention them because you are talking to the old people, the spirits of the land, and they love to hear their voices. They may not be with us nowadays too, and I would also seek guidance from them, whatever the name of the group is, and ask, is it okay if I honour you like this? But it's a way of keeping that history alive, even though they've passed on.
Thanks, Aunty Munya, for Ask Aunty and asking Aunty on holidays. Thank you for taking this time on your holiday.